Good day, everyone. Learn how to zip a file or unzip a file in Windows 11. So we will learn how to zip a file in Windows 11 and unzip as well. So here, firstly, we will open the file. So I'll just quickly go to the destination here. So let's say this is the PNG file which I want to zip it. So I'll do a right click on that and I'll click on this compress to. Once you do a right click, we need to click on compress to and then just click on zip file. The moment you do that, it will ask you to give a name. So I'll just add one more thing. So this is the file which is zipped. All right. Now if I want to unzip it, I just have to do the right click on that. And then I'll click on extract all. And then you can change the location. You can also mention the name to it and then click on extract. The moment you do that, a folder will be created and that zip file will be unzipped in Windows 11. All right. So this is how you can zip a file or unzip a file in Windows 11 laptop or desktop. Please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.